so excited to open the BTS album. So yeah, by the way, anyway, let me just put it back. Still have the receipt. So I got the version 4 because I really like this one. Anyway, I also searched what's inside. I mean what poster is inside of the version 1, 2, and 3, and I already have the poster. So I took the version 4 since I don't have the poster of this one. So yeah, I already know what's inside. What poster is inside. So this is the front. So it looks like it. And this is the back. Yeah, it's 159 Qatar Riyals. So if you're living here in Qatar, you know how hard it is to get a BTS album. So yeah, here it is. So let's open it. I have this one, it's for my eyebrow, but yeah, let's be careful. So anyway, this is the side of it. Knock of the Soul version 4. Here, Knock of the Soul 7 version 4. Be careful. Whoa! Be careful not to okay. So, my nails. Whatever. So, yep. I'm so excited to know what's inside because I really wish that it's Jin. Jin is my bias. I love them all, but Jin is my bias really. Okay, so let's open. Okay, so this is the CD. So it's version 4. It has all of this one. I don't want to remove it. So Knock of the Soul 7 Sunday. New way to get it. And yeah, it's this their picture. The back they have their signatures. Let me show you the close up one. Yep. And the next one is picture 2. What is this? I don't understand it yet. I can read Hangul, but I can read these letters, but I don't know yet the meaning. And let's also see. Oh, the notes. So these are the notes. What's inside is April 11 year 2022. Tutashi Sukajinen Hexa Suke later. Let me read this one. So it's written in Hangul. Yeah, the notes. And did you just saw? So let me show you guys. So this is my photo card. Is this my photo card? Oh, it's Jungkook! Oh my god. It's our Golden Mountain, and yeah. Oh, it's so cute! I'm happy. Jungkook! Anyway, let's put him there. So this is basically the lyric book. The lyrics book. So, I love here. Actually, I love me. Shingu. Initial. I love everything here. Oh, I'm so sorry. This one. So yeah, this is the lyric book. So yeah, we have here everything. So this is how it looks like. Okay. So the next one is this a coloring paper? I think this is where armies can color this paper. Okay. Oh, there's a stickers too. Sorry, there's a sticker too. Look at them. Oh my god, it's so funny. Oh, young as a longer. Wow, Jinja, you're so cute. I miss you. I need you. I want you. And you? Oh my god. We all want you guys. Orega, Bangtan. Sugar. Oh, Jungkook. Carol BTS. Map. Soul. 6. 7. Not the Soul 7. Anyway. This one is the stickers. Oh yeah. It's so cute. I love it. Saraya. Okay, so let's go here. So this is the other. I'm so excited to open this one. This is the poster. 뭐, 잠깐만요. 여기? What is this? Let me just, we have this one, oh my god. Even this one, I'm going to keep this thing. 잠깐만. Oh my god, my nails. 잠깐만요. Some words in Korean. Oh. Okay. So this is. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. I mean, yeah. This is so pretty cute. And this is the back. So, oh my god, I'm so happy. Let's give it here. Anyway, my friend is asking me to show them the this is the other one. You know this one I wrote, of course. I'm going to keep this one here. I think I'm going to keep everything. And those, what are these? Ah! Okay, fine, guys. So this is Kobe. Say ho! Oh my god, he's so cute. Anyway, have Kobe. Mo. 진짜. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god. I'm so switched. Oh my god. Ah! It's interesting. Oh. This is my baby. 사랑해요. Sugar. So, Sugar guys. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, little meow meow. And of course,
왜 누가 나를 막아도 나의 갈 길을 간다고 인생 한 방이라고 레고 오오오
and Golden Monday, Jungkook, and of course our president, Namjoon, and of course our little mochi, Jimin. Mo. Come on. Hold up. It doesn't have a poster. Mo? Where? Is this the poster? I don't think so. This is the poster. Come on, where is the poster? Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot to show you the back. Here. Okay. So let's start from here. So this is the back. No, come on. Okay. And the other side is this one. Okay. Oh, 진짜. Okay, so this one. There's no way I'm going to hang this one on our wall. So this is the front. I showed you earlier. And this is the back side. No, why are they so cute? Where? This is the other one. Okay. 159, it's all worth it. I swear. Oh. Does it have this? Okay. Oh, they're so cute here. Sa lahat naman ng pages, cute sila. So, and J-Hope and Jimin. Oh, why are they so cute? Okay. Let me just tell you guys. I don't have a poster. Is this the poster? I don't know. Like, dude. I don't really have a poster. Like, really? Seriously? I don't have a poster? 진짜. 뭐? 왜? 왜요? 왜요? Why I don't have a poster? Is it because this is the version of it? Well, anyway. I don't have a poster. I'm so sad. I'm so sad I don't have a poster. Anyway, this is my nails are all messed up. Okay. So that's it. It's just that I am sad. It doesn't have a poster. Didn't come with a poster. So yeah. I'm still sad. I don't have a poster. I'm expecting that it will have a poster, but it doesn't have like where? Can someone explain to me why it doesn't have a poster, or if there's a poster, which one? I really don't know which one is the poster.